Morag earns 4.5% interest per year on the money she has saved in her bank account. She starts off with £200. How much is in her account after 5 years? Okay, it doesn't say whether it's simple or compound interest, so we're going to assume that it's simple. Now, simple interest means that I have to find the interest, the percentage interest, and then I keep the same interest every single year, and this time it's for 5 years. So let's have a look. We've got year 0, and she starts off with £200. Year 1, and I need to know what 4.5% is. So 4.5% of £200. And I'm just going to use my calculator for that, so I can literally press 4.5 and the percentage button. Of in maths is times 200, and I get 9. So we're going to add 9 on for each year. So that's going to be 209. Year 2, add another 9 would be 218. Year 3, add another 9 would be 227. Year 4, add another 9 would be 236. And year 5, add another 9 would be 245. You might have realised that you could have done it far quicker. So we've got 5 years, so that's going to be, the interest is 9 times 5, which is 45, and I could have just added that on to the original £200. So how much is in her account after 5 years? £245.